Hi guys, it's a realistic morning routine, or dare I say a vlog of my day. You can hear the constructions. That's why I slept in a little bit, because I was brightly awake really early in the morning and I couldn't deal with this noise. So I fell asleep as soon as I stopped, and they're all in it. So yesterday I did my nails. They're like this, Halloweeny. They are sparkly. And then there's this hand. I think it's cute. There's also right now another video in the making, which you will see before this. I originally thought that maybe we can do this video and then the other one, but yeah, so the Halloween is on Friday. So if I do the Halloween video on Friday, 31st of October, it will be too late for this video. So I decided that maybe we should do it, switch things a little bit. So the Halloween video comes out this Friday. Why I say it's like realistic vlog and morning routine, just because now it's like 10 a.m. and usually I woke up at 8:30 a.m. but I stay in the bed if I want to read something or do something on social media, so it's fine. But sometimes I really wake up at 8:30 and like keep going with my day. Right now it's 10 a.m. and yeah, originally I woke up at 7 a.m. but I decided that no, I don't want to be awake, so I went to sleep and I woke up at 9:30. So now it's 10 a.m. so I have to get out of my bed and get to the things, get it going. Let's make the bed. It's not morning anymore. I look not my best. I planned on filming another video also today, but I don't really have a mood for that. Maybe I will do that tomorrow. Today I am planning to go also to Pilates class, but I promised my family that I will do the pumpkin spice cake. So if you didn't know, my passion I like baking. So I found this recipe and I decided maybe I should do that. So it is a long one because you have to have this pumpkin puree, and it takes some time to do this puree because you should bake the pumpkin first and it takes around an hour, and then you have to make the cake and then you bake it also. So I have the half of pumpkin, I will show you, although I need to take it out of the shell I don't know how to say that, and cut it and bake it. Yes, it is only half because I already did one recipe with pumpkin. It was nice. If I have some footage I will insert it, but I don't think I have. But it was nice. It was like kind of cheesecake with pumpkin and like the cheesy thing. Let's get right into preparing my pumpkin to be baked. You have to peel that. I did that on the whole thing the other time, but maybe it will be easier to do on the little sections. So right now I will try and cut off this thing. Yeah, pumpkin's not the easiest things to work with and to cut, but you know, we are women, we can do everything. I prepared the form. I'm gonna cut and peel these things and just place it into the form. You can do this with a knife or with this peeler thing, just like this. So my oven is already going. Right now I will do a little bit of cinnamon, a little bit of cardamom, and a little bit of sugar. And you take it to the oven, which is right now on a 200 degrees Celsius. You bake it for approximately, like, depends on your oven, but from 40 minutes to 1 hour. Right now I am gonna try to do a little something with my bangs, because of course I am getting ready only for gym, but the bangs, it's the only thing that I will do. I will not put on my makeup. I will not generally be doing something with my hair, just because it will be tight anyways. But you know, you see how this little thing beautifully did my hair, because it was a little wet when I put it in. How I do that, usually I have this mole here and I'm separating my hair to this mole. Then I'm separating it to another 2 sections. This section goes this way and I'm doing it like this. The same thing like this. But this side is usually turns out perfect. This side, however, always takes a lot of time and effort to look like this, and it never does look like this. You see that? And I hope this will stay this way. The thing is, I forgot to click the button and it's been 40 minutes and my pumpkin wasn't cooking, so now it's in a process. But I thought, since I'm going to my Pilates class, maybe we can get ready together. My phone is charging, so I am sorry, so sorry. So how you like my fit? I bought this pants from Primark, but it is actually so nice. Like, look at this. You know it, right? Okay. My fit for the Pilates class. My leggings. Those are from Oysho. Medium, but I don't know. I like them, kind of. But you see this seam here? So it's giving camel toe. I ordered me another pair of leggings. So it's in the mail. It's not that bad. When you are actually doing something, it's not that noticeable and like you don't care about that. But when you're just walking, then there's my top. This is from H&M Move. Honestly, like, if you have bigger chest, not recommend. It's not holding like at all. And I always wear something over my top, just because like it's slipping around and I don't want anyone to see that. So the t-shirt I will be wearing today. Yeah, it's not covering much. If you especially like hold your hands up, it's getting lifted, but I don't care actually. And this is it for my Pilates class, and that's my bag. Actually so great. I'll show you. I bought this bag off of Shein. Would you be able to tell this is from Shein? I bought it from the actual brand that just sells on Shein, so it wasn't cheap. It wasn't cheap, and it doesn't look cheap. So the material is like this. There's obviously the zipper. There you also have a zipper, and it's like, so here are my sneakers. You can absolutely regulate this thing. On the inside, huge amount of space. Here you can attach your mat. I don't bring my mats with me. I just use the ones in a gym. Like, I love this bag. I don't know if you can hear me. It's a little windy here. I'm heading to the gym. I will show you around a little bit when I get there. I kind of forgot that I was vlogging when I was at my class. So sorry, but like I was there and amazing. I love Pilates so much that it was the best hour of the day, honestly. But we will continue with this vlog right now. I'm home now. I am gonna change and get to my kitchen and we will continue to bake the cake. So I actually didn't show that to you and I don't know why actually. Don't ask me. So like after my pumpkin was like 30 minutes in the oven, I turned it around so it's the other side you can also bake, and then I baked it for another 15 minutes and then I took it out of the oven and with the blender just make it a puree. So I will show to you how it looks, and I'm hoping that the recipe will be all right and tasty, because this is first time for me making this recipe. I don't know how it will be, but we will see. Me again. So that thing that I made was really good. Like I can't describe this, but it is exactly how pumpkin spice latte tastes, and it is just so good, like so good. You have to try that. Right now, I'm ready with me to go to sleep, so it's like late night. I think today is the day of enzyme powder. I recently got this one and it actually like really good. I like it. It is Korean and it's with rice. It's like rice powder. I wet my hand and then I just do like this. There's a little powder. And then I wet my other hand and do like this. So then it creates this scrubby foamy consistency, and I know I look red. We will not talk about this. I'm taking my Milky Toner. I just love this thing so much, and I actually genuinely love Rhode, what they're doing with the brand, what products they're releasing. I really like the lip peptide. I love this Milky Toner. It just gives the skin that radiant glow and also the moisture it needs. So this toner paired with Dr. Altea, really nice, like perfect combination. What I will do for my night routine, sometimes I will use the brow serum. Actually, maybe we should use it. Salicylic and zinc paste. I am almost out of it, so I just use it everywhere where I see those bad pimples, and I don't want them to be worse. And yeah, I will be looking funny, but like, I don't care if it works. And I just love this thing specifically, champagne toast. So this is a winter scent that they sell on Christmas. This is from Bath and Body Works. When I tell you it's so good, like it really smells like sweet rosé. Don't even get me started, like the best scent ever. Got it in my mouth. So last winter I bought this jumbo thing. It's like 236 milliliters, which is 8 ounces, and it's been like almost a year of everyday use. It's like still half a bottle. I don't know, will I buy this winter? Maybe not, because I got a lot, but like if you see that on Christmas time, take it and don't think about it. It's so good. I think it's time to say goodbye. Maybe I will, oh yeah, I'm definitely gonna read. I'm gonna take my Kindle and get through it. Right now I am reading the second book to the Assistant to the Villain series. I will maybe insert this cover here because I don't quite remember how it called, like the second book. And yeah, it's good. I am enjoying the series. It's not like Force Wayne, which is amazing and hard series. This is cozy fantasy, and I like this. It is funny, it is light, and I just read it at night. And yeah, I have not been reading a lot lately, but still like it.